Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to tell you where you can find lots of quartz inside of Subnautica 2. The quartz is one of those materials that you always seemingly need a lot of, and you can find it right away in a couple of really convenient places, but it's almost all over the place in this game. You just got to keep an eye out. One place that you can find it is inside of these giant orange seashells. Forget what these are called, but inside of these giant orange sort of pearlescent colored shells are quartz inside of these coral domes. So you can just grab a hold of those. The other place that you can find a lot of them is out to the south. Out to the south is an area where you can find things like sulfur and also some salt. But you'd think you could find a lot of that given that it's an actual salty ocean, but not so much. You'll find them in little crystal deposits pretty much all over the place. You just have to kind of know what to look for. Because everything in this game has some pretty significant chunky versions of themselves lying around. So it kind of just depends which color, and this one's almost kind of like a milky white color around the edges. So here you can find, here's a little note of it. It's kind of like a white color with almost like a fleshy colored edges, like it's cell shaded, like it's dirty and covered in sand. You can find these pretty much everywhere, out in some rocky outcroppings. You can find them to the south, you can find a few of them to the north. They're kind of just all over the place. So if you need a lot of it, and you need a lot of it fast, I especially recommend coming out here to the south, to this sort of rocky, dead looking area, because there's a bunch of it, and this is even after I've been out gathering a bunch of it already. That's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at where to find a bunch of quartz inside of Subnautica 2. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.